Ever wondered how unique our planet is? Amidst the vast cosmic arena, our home planet Earth stands out as an exceptional marvel. Unlike its celestial neighbors, Earth boasts a diverse ecosystem teeming with life, a testament to its remarkable conditions. While our solar system is filled with planets of extremes, from the scorching heat of Venus to the icy desolation of Neptune, Earth strikes a perfect balance. It's neither too hot nor too cold, but just right for life as we know it to thrive. The key to this lies in Earth's unique atmosphere, a delicate blend of gases that not only provides us with air to breathe, but also acts as a shield, protecting us from the harshness of space. Furthermore, Earth's abundance of water, an essential ingredient for life, sets it apart. It's the blue jewel of the solar system, the only known planet to support life. So the Earth is pretty special, right? But that's just the beginning. Have you ever pondered why Earth is called the blue planet? It's not because of a preference for cool hues, but rather the abundance of water that covers our home. Picture this: a whopping 71% of the Earth's surface is swathed in water. From the deepest trenches of the Pacific Ocean to the icy expanses of the Arctic, water is the dominant feature of our planet. It's this vast coverage of oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers that gives Earth its distinctive blue appearance when viewed from space. This view of Earth, beautifully blue and teeming with life, is often referred to as the blue marble. It's a reminder of our planet's unique composition and the vital role water plays in supporting life as we know it. So next time you see a world map, remember, it's more water than land. The Earth is indeed a blue marble, a watery oasis in the vastness of space. Did you know Earth resides in the Goldilocks zone? This is the region around a star where conditions are just right. Not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. It's a bit like finding the perfect position in front of a campfire. Too close, and you'll get roasted. Too far away, and you're left shivering in the cold. Our planet's precise distance from the Sun, approximately 93 million miles, places us perfectly in this habitable zone. It's this perfect balance that allows life, as we know it, to thrive. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, life has flourished on Earth due to this ideal location. Without this unique positioning, Earth could have ended up like Venus, with a runaway greenhouse effect, or Mars, a frigid desert world. So, next time you step outside, appreciate that you're standing in a cosmic sweet spot. In other words, we're in the cosmic sweet spot. Can you guess where most of our oxygen comes from? It might surprise you to learn that it's not the lush green forests or the tall trees that we usually associate with oxygen production. Instead, it's the tiny, microscopic plants known as phytoplankton that live in the world's oceans. These humble, almost invisible life forms are responsible for producing more than half of the Earth's oxygen. Through a process known as photosynthesis, they convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen. In fact, every second breath you take is thanks to these tiny marine plants. But the role of phytoplankton doesn't end there. They also play a critical role in the global carbon cycle, helping to absorb excess carbon dioxide from our atmosphere. So, it's not just the trees, but also the oceans that act as the lungs of our planet. So next time you take a breath, thank the tiny plants in the sea. Ever wondered why Earth's gravity isn't the same everywhere? Well, gravity, as it turns out, is a rather cheeky character, not always behaving as we'd expect. You see, our planet is not a perfect sphere, and its mass is not evenly distributed. This means gravity can be slightly stronger or weaker in different places. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's take a trip to the Hudson Bay area in Canada. Here, the Earth's crust is significantly thinner due to glacial erosion from the last ice age. This thinning of the crust leads to a slight decrease in gravity. Yes, you heard it right. You'd weigh a tiny bit less if you were standing there. And then we have places like the Nevada desert, where dense rock formations push the gravity meter a smidge higher. So your weight could fluctuate depending on where on Earth you stand. Gravity. It's not as straightforward as you might think. What protects us from the sun's harmful solar winds? Well, let's dive into the sixth mind-blowing fact about our Earth. Our planet has its very own superhero, an invisible yet potent force field, known as the Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic field, generated deep within the Earth's molten core, stretches thousands of miles into space. It is like a cosmic guardian constantly protecting us from the sun's lethal solar winds, which are streams of charged particles hurtling towards us at breakneck speed. If we didn't have this magnetic shield, these solar winds could strip away our planet's atmosphere, leaving Earth barren and lifeless, much like Mars. But thanks to this magnetic shield, the harmful particles are deflected, creating stunning phenomena like the northern and southern lights. So, even though we can't see it or touch it, we're living under an invisible life-saving shield. And that's just another reason why our Earth is truly extraordinary. Do you know how fast you're moving right now? You might think you're sitting still, but in reality, you're moving faster than you can imagine. Our Earth spins on its axis at a mind-blowing speed. To put it in perspective, at the equator, the speed of Earth's rotation is approximately 1,000 miles per hour. But that's not all. We're also orbiting the Sun at an average speed of about 67,000 miles per hour. And even this pales in comparison to the speed at which our solar system is hurtling around the Milky Way galaxy. That's a whopping 500,000 miles per hour. These speeds are so vast that they are almost impossible to comprehend, yet because we are all moving in sync, we don't feel a thing. It's like we're all on a cosmic merry-go-round, spinning and whirling through the infinite expanse of space. Hold on tight, we're on a speedy journey through the cosmos. Did you know the ground under your feet is always moving? That's right, the Earth's crust is in a state of constant flux thanks to the process of plate tectonics. This phenomenon is driven by the heat in the Earth's core, causing the crust to crack into large pieces, or plates. These plates move around like puzzle pieces, sliding past each other, pulling apart, or crashing together. This process is what gives us our continents and oceans. It's also responsible for earthquakes, volcanic activity, and even the creation of mountains. But it's not just about destruction. Plate tectonics also plays a key role in the carbon cycle. It helps regulate the Earth's climate by recycling carbon dioxide. When oceanic plates dive under continental plates, they carry carbon dioxide from the atmosphere back into the Earth's mantle. So, while it may feel like we're standing on solid ground, we're actually riding on a dynamic, ever-shifting platform. Our planet is more dynamic than it seems. Ever seen the Northern Lights? Also known as the Aurora Borealis, these breathtaking displays of light are a natural phenomenon, painting the polar skies with a vibrant palette of colors. But what exactly causes this ancient light show? The answer lies in our planet's magnetic field and the Sun. Particles from the Sun, carried by solar winds, interact with the Earth's magnetic field. When these particles collide with gases in our atmosphere, they create the spectacular light displays we know as aurorae. This phenomenon is also seen in the southern hemisphere, known as the aurora australis. Throughout history, many cultures have marveled at these lights, attributing them to various myths and legends. From the Vikings, who saw them as the glow from the shields of the Valkyries, to the indigenous people of North America, who believed them to be spirits of their ancestors. Earth's natural light show is a sight to behold. Ready for the final mind-blowing fact? Let's delve into the depths of the Earth, where a remarkable treasure lies hidden. In a mine deep beneath the ground, there's a reservoir of water that's nearly 2 billion years old. Yes, you heard that right, 2 billion. This ancient water source, locked away in rock formations, gives us a fascinating glimpse into our planet's past. It's a testament to the Earth's incredible ability to preserve and sustain life, even in the most unexpected places. This water, older than the human race itself, holds secrets we're only beginning to unravel. Its existence reminds us of Earth's timeless resilience and the mysteries that still lie beneath our feet. So Earth is not just our home. It's a world full of wonder and surprises. What an incredible journey it's been, discovering these mind-blowing facts about our remarkable planet. So Earth is not just our home. It's a world full of wonder and surprises.